Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is gratitude is an attitude. And when you get to this point, Lord, our spirit, universe, source, strength is saying we just left acceptance. We accepted our life. We accepted what life is. We accept the rules of the universe, and we're going to work with it. Now be grateful. When the Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ sees that you're grateful for the small things, the place that you are right now, they're saying, wow, if they're going to praise me and give me gratitude and be thankful for what I give them right here, they will be thankful and grateful for the mansion. They'll be grateful and thankful for the acres of land. They'll be thankful and grateful and continue to have a grateful spirit when I bless them with their heart's desires. So prove it right now. Praise in the dark, because when the light shows in the next season, you'll have even more to praise about, but you will not be able to trick Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength to saying, oh, I'll praise once I get it. No, praise in the dark, praise in your hardest times, because they know that you're appreciating where you are. It could be so much worse. You're in a great place, but where you're headed, prove you're willing to do it right now, and then bigger and better things are happening, coming your way. I'm aware of the light in my life, and I direct my thoughts to give beauty in and around me. No matter where you are, it is a beautiful place to be. It could be darker, but no, it's getting lighter, it's getting better. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Being able to walk, talk, be able to breathe, speak, sing, to be able to stand in one place, to write your name. These are superpowers in the universe that we take for granted, for everyone does not have these things. Be grateful for the smallest and tiniest things. For when breakthrough comes, praising and being grateful is not something you have to learn. It's something that you already practice, and it's part of your being. Thus I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me, and I appreciate all that brings to me. Gratitude being that attitude, I'm telling you, brings you a positive source. Your body becomes a positive source, and the rules of the universe is what we put out, what we feel, and what we put out is what we attract. Positive energy brings breakthroughs, manifestations, and blessings. Negative energy, resentment, guilt, grudge, and anger, that brings lessons, trials, tribulations, and you actually excel through that. You don't need any more of that. It's time to excel, live your best life, because you're impacting so many other people. By living your best life is being a blessing upon other people in a healing and a very comforting way. So have gratitude today, turn up, smile, and be grateful, and get ready for that big, huge, humongous blessing. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.